This is Nick from LTL Trading Signals Group. Today I'm going to go over with you how you can practice trading without actually risking any of your capital. So this chart here is MGI and made a pretty big move on the 18th. I think that was Tuesday. So what I like to do after stocks make moves like this is go back onto the on-demand feature that Thinkorswim has and watch like the first hour of the market open to really see how the charts play out in real time. And the way I do that is by going to the on-demand feature. So you go to the on-demand feature and you go to the date that you want, set the time you want. I'm Central Time, so I'm going to go for 8:30 in the morning so I could watch the market open. And here we are. Now, if you'd like, you can actually practice your trades and entries with its fake money that they give you in the account for the on-demand feature. But I don't even like to do that. What I like to do is just open up my time and sales in my level 2, and I'll just sit here and watch the chart play out as well as the level 2. And like I said, it's just really good practice to go back for these stocks that make large moves. So the next time you see a stock like this, you can be a little bit more prepared for it. So that's all I have for you guys today. I wanted to make the video quick. There wasn't a whole lot to explain here, but if you do have any questions, please leave them in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Till next time, thanks.